Hi, I'm Maggie, your LUNA Astrology Ambassador. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use chart history, one of the simplest ways to move effortlessly between charts inside of LUNA. Before we jump in, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can stay up to date with all things LUNA. Let's get started. So LUNA automatically keeps track of every chart that you open, including auxiliary charts, transits, progressions, biwheels, everything. This means that any chart you've viewed recently is always just a tap away, making navigation fast, fluid, and intuitive. There are two ways to access your chart history. One is through the quick view pop-up, and one is through the chart profile section of your LUNA. Let's walk through both. Right now, obviously, I am on desktop. In order to get to the quick view, we're going to come up to the top navigation bar. You'll see transits, charts, cycles, ephemeris, your name, and right to the right of your name, there is this little icon that looks like an open file folder. No matter where you are in LUNA, you should be able to see this quick view icon. So let's go ahead and tap on it. And pop-up comes up with chart favorites. These are my favorite charts, and chart history. So we're going to go ahead and click on history. This will pull up your 24 most recently viewed charts. These update automatically as you work. And if you want to go deeper, if you want to see more than 24, go to the bottom, click the View All History button to open a full searchable list of every chart that you've opened in your account. So that's the first way. And the quick view icon at the top of the screen. And then we will explore the second way, which you get to by clicking on the charts navigation button. It brings you to your chart profiles. We see public charts, my charts, favorites, history. Let's click on history because that's what we're focusing on today. And once again, the screen shows you your entire chart history, not just the most recent 24 charts. From here, you can browse, you can search, you can even delete individual entries if you like to keep things tidy. This browsing and search tool works exactly like the ones from my charts that you might be more familiar with. We can search based on sign. We've got all the signs here: Aries, Taurus, Gemini, Cancer, and so on. We can search based on chart type, natal event, or horary. And then we've got all the custom tags that you might have. Just makes it really easy to navigate. That's it. It's pretty simple. Chart history is a small feature that makes a big difference in how smoothly you move around inside of LUNA. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow along so you never miss a LUNA tutorial.